Meet Zilla, my garden little gremlin. He's a sweetheart, huh? See, I'm a good boy. I just like to lay in the sun. I like to get warm and cozy. I'm basically a house cat. Yeah, you're a good boy. Love you. Bought some thyme, lemon thyme, as well as some woolly thyme. The woolly thyme is more of a ground cover and it carpets the ground. It's not so much edible. It can be, but it's not as strong, so it's more beautiful. It flowers purple, so I thought it'd be nice to have in the garden. But the variegated one, the lime lemon version, is definitely for eating, and I want more. I love to cook with thyme. And I do also need to add some seeds today to the ground. I'm going to seed some Batchelor Buttons today. I also need to add some compost to all my garden bed. I think it's time to add some compost, at least under some of the plants, give it some extra nutrients, a little more support. Yeah, that's what we're going to do today. My mom let me take some nettle home from her garden. I really want some for tea, but also to make a homemade fertilizer over time. Might even split it up into another piece so that I can pot it somewhere else in a different spot. So that way when I add other herbs in here, probably very soon, I could actually add something else. That way this could trail over. I plan on adding maybe some chamomile seeds, something else in here. Not sure what other herbs will grow in here. Definitely more edible ones. I'm going to add a little bit of compost. I'm going to be adding my favorite broken Steer Manure. I'm going to add some more just around. Hi, buddy. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. So that's done for now. It's had some dieback from spider mites on my thyme and my sage, and the oregano got hit. I have some variegated thyme in here. I have some tarragon, which was absolutely delicious. My lemon verbena was so delicious for tea. I saved a lot. And I have some oregano in here. So I was able to put my lemon variegated thyme in here. I'm going to start adding some compost to the whole bed under every plant. Compost should help too. These bags aren't even that expensive. I get my Steer Manure at Lowe's. It works amazing. You will see a difference in your plants. You'll notice the yellowing slowly go away. They start getting greener. They really help for outdoor plants, for your flowers, for your vegetables. I definitely recommend it. And the best part is you can use it like a mulch. Update on this area, I do need to remove some leaves. Poppies are popping up. Those little ones, those are 100% little poppies coming. So sad that something's just digging its way around here, which means, because like we keep our dogs out of this area, only invited when we're around. I'm a little sad, but I do need to remove all the leaves at some point, and I did have a lot of seedlings come out. I'm going to be removing some of those, finding different spots for them, but everything else is doing pretty well. My beets and chard are taking nicely, some of them really nicely. So today I'm going to be adding the Batchelor Buttons. I'm going to plant these, throw some seeds in the ground. I'm going to throw them over here, see how they go. I'll be adding some to the other area too, but because they're taller, we'll be adding them in the back. I'm just going to lightly throw some over the top. So excited. Poppies are some of my favorite flowers. I absolutely love poppies. I don't know who else loves poppies. Leave a comment if you do. I did plant Hungarian poppy birdseed ones, and I did plant purple variety. Purple is definitely my ultimate favorite, but green and blue are a very close second. This is all I have left of the borage. I ended up eating a lot of the flowers, but whatever I could get, I saved. So I'm going to add some to this bed. Definitely going to water down this area for all the compost I lay down under the plants. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like and follow for more videos coming up of our garden and what we're growing, what we're going to do this year, all our plans. Yeah.